In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to invite a user to your Cloudflare account step by step. Whether you're working with a developer, a marketing team member, or a client, giving the right access inside Cloudflare is essential for managing domains securely and efficiently. I'll walk you through the full process, including how to set permissions properly so you stay in control of your account. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to dash.cloudflare.com, then log in to your Cloudflare account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll land on the main overview page where you can see your domains. From here, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an Add button. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Account Member, which is the option used to invite teammates to your Cloudflare account. You'll now be taken to the Member Invitation page. The first thing you need to do is type in the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure you enter the correct email address, because this is where the invitation will be sent. Next, you need to define what this user is allowed to access and modify. To do that, click on Create a Policy. Policies determine the permissions and access level for the new member, so this is a very important step. After clicking Create a Policy, you'll need to select a scope. The scope defines what resources inside your Cloudflare account the user can access. You can choose broader access or limit it depending on your needs. For example, you can choose scopes such as individual domains, specific domain groups, or even certain applications. This is especially useful if you don't want the user to have access to your entire account. If you choose individual domains, click on Select Domains. This allows you to manually choose which domains the invited member will be able to access. You'll see a list of your domains. Simply check the box next to the domain or domains you want to grant access to. Make sure you only select the ones that are necessary for that user's role. Below that, you'll find additional settings where you can fine-tune permissions. This may include defining specific roles, such as administrator, editor, or read-only access, depending on what level of control you want the person to have. Always apply the principle of least privilege, meaning only give the access that's absolutely required. Once you've configured everything the way you want, click on Create Policy. This will save the permission structure you just defined. After the policy is created, complete the invitation process. Cloudflare will send an email to the user with a link to accept the invite. Once they accept, they'll gain access according to the permissions you set. And that's it. You've successfully invited a user to your Cloudflare account and configured their access securely. Managing team access properly is crucial for keeping your domain safe while still allowing collaboration. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Cloudflare tutorials and other software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.